Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Facebook delete account option is missing. If you can find the option to delete your Facebook account, don't worry. This can happen due to app glitches, outdated versions, account restrictions, or changes in Facebook settings menu. So here are ways to fix the problem. So first, update the Facebook app. So an outdated app may hide certain settings. So open App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook, then tap Update if available. Then reopen Facebook and check for the delete option again. Next is to go to Settings, scroll down and go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Now from here, go to the bottom and select Facebook, then click Offload App, confirm the action, then reinstall the app. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So wait for it to finish. Now, if you're using Android, you can clear cache and restart. You can open settings on your phone, then tap apps, then go to Facebook, select storage, and tap clear cache. Then restart the app and try again. Now, once you're done, open Facebook and see if that works. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.